Hello there, and welcome to the Perfect Portfolio. In this learning video, we will discuss and understand a technical indicator called on-balance volume, and how it is used by investors and traders.
We will discuss the introduction and background of OBV as well as its calculation, formula and interpretation, and understand what is divergence.
But before getting started, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for regular learning videos on finance and investing. The on-balance volume, OBV, is a technical analysis momentum indicator used to measure the positive and negative flow of volume in a security or index over time. This indicator is intended to relate price and volume to check if both are moving in tandem with each other. The on-balance volume indicator was developed by Joseph Granville. According to him, when volume increases sharply without a significant change in the stock's price, then the price will eventually jump up, and when volume decreases without a significant change in the stock's price, then the price will eventually go down. The on-balance volume indicator is calculated as a running total of up volume minus down volume. Up volume is how much volume there is on a day when the price rallied higher than its previous close. Down volume is the volume on a day when the price falls lower than its previous close. Each day volume is added or subtracted from the indicator based on whether the price went higher or lower.
The formula of OBV is on the screen for your reference. Please note that there are 3 rules to follow while calculating OBV.
We can interpret OBV as follows. When OBV is rising, it reflects positive volume pressure wherein buyers are willing to step in and push the price higher. When OBV is falling, the selling volume is outpacing buying volume, which leads to lower prices. OBV will often move before prices. In this way, it acts like a trend confirmation tool. If price and OBV are rising, that helps indicate a continuation of the trend. Traders who use OBV also watch for divergence. This occurs when the indicator and price are going in different directions. If the price is rising but OBV is falling, that indicates that the trend is not backed by strong buyers and could soon reverse. Other technical indicators used by investors are accumulation/distribution line, average directional index, moving average convergence/divergence, relative strength index, Arun oscillator, stochastic oscillator, Bollinger Bands, and Fibonacci retracements. With that, we come to the end of this video. Hope you found it useful. Please check out our social media, and if you like the content, be sure to drop some likes, comments, and share it with your connections. Thanks for watching.